Hello everyone, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and those that have been with me, welcome too. If you are new, please go back and watch my first and second and I think third or fourth video. That will make you more understand what I'm walking you through, and it will make more sense to you. Anyway, today we're going to do same project 1 part 3. So now we're doing our squares shape, and then we're doing our circle. Okay, now please, one thing that I forgot to say, the muslin is 100% cotton, unbleached cotton, 100%. It comes in three or four weights: light, medium weight, large, and a very heavy one that I think they call it canvas. Yeah, so it comes either 3 or 4. I know there's one that is very heavy and thick. So mine is the medium size. I should have said that way back, but I didn't. So mine is medium size. So 100% unbleached cotton, from light to heavy to extra heavy. Okay, now today I changed the thread to a purple. So we're going to start with a square, okay? And I'm going to start from the outer line. So let's go the same, holding on to the thread, bringing the fabric under, press a foot down, and then the needle, let me straighten it up, needle down. Please don't try to pull the fabric ahead of you or push it through or hold on tight. Let the machine do the work. Yours is for your hands to hold on to the fabric so the fabric won't twist on you, and then the machine will do its own thing. The machine will pick up the thread going backwards away from you. So don't pull towards you, don't pull towards the back, and don't hold on to it tight. Okay, so hold on to your 2 thread. Now with the needle down, let's start. Back stitch. Okay, keep going. Coming close to the corner, I stop. I use my balance wheel, and then I bring the needle right at the corner. Lift the foot up, pivot, and keep going. Again, close to the corner, I stop. I use my balance wheel, try to bring it to the corner. I believe by this time you should be more comfortable with your machine and with this stopping and pivoting and stopping and pivoting, because this is our third part. So you should be a little bit comfortable, or I guess you're pro now, getting there. Okay, keep going, close to the corner, stop, pivot, stop, put the needle to the corner of your shape, and keep going. This is where we started, so I try to go back to the same corner and back stitch again. And oh, I snipped my fabric. You have to be careful. Instead of me cutting the thread, I almost snipped the fabric a bit. I did anyway. Okay, hold on to the needle down at the corner. Hold on to the thread. Start a couple of stitches, back stitch, and then keep going. Close to the corner, slow down, balance well, pivot, keep going. Back to the beginning. So put the needle down and go back. To back stitch. Again. And as I said, take your time, press on the pedal. Don't feel like you have to go so fast. As they said, Rome was not built in a day. I have 2 more lines and then we'll move on to the next one. To the next shape. Okay. One more. Then we'll finish with the squares. Corner, needle down, press a foot up, pivot, and keep going. This was easy. We finish our squares. Now we're going to move on to the circles. Here we go. And as I said, don't forget to iron it. That's the back. Okay, let's do this circles. Now we're becoming more comfortable with the shapes now. I'm going to start from the outer circle. Your needle down, hold on to the thread, your needle down, keep holding the thread. As for the circle, if you feel like you have to lift the leave it for you to pivot it, do it. Don't feel like you have to do it all in one shot like I'm doing, or you stop and you keep going. You keep going. You stop and you keep going. You stop and you keep going. So this is a second. This helps with your armhole, neckline, and so forth, so forth and so on. Okay, we come to the end. I'm gonna do 2 more, then I'll leave you by yourself to finish it. And I'm gonna finish mine. Okay, next. Hold on to the thread. See, I'm mixing the line too, and it's okay. Okay, one more. Needle down, holding on to the thread, back stitch, we go. Okay, I'll cut it later. Okay, again, to save time, I'm gonna go off camera, finish it, iron them, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. You see the ones that is iron, how smooth and nicely it looks. Make it a habit to iron your stuff when you're sewing. Okay, step by step. Iron. As we go along, I'll show you where you're supposed to iron, where you stop to iron your stuff. See how smooth and nice it look? And this one is not iron. See the difference? I hope you can see it. This one is not ironed. And these ones are all ironed. See the difference? So make what you start with, how do I say? The petty things you start with that is necessary, you might think it's not a big deal, or I can get away with it. You will know the difference between home sewer and professional sewers. You have to learn, get comfortable of ironing, stopping and ironing, and cutting your threads, back stitching, and taking your time. Okay, so this is the end of our video for today. Until the next video, thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, and share. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye.